Granny's 10 timeless herbal beauty food recipes. Recipe 1. Beauty liver detox soup recipe. Ingredients: 30-degree black beans, 5 pitted red dates, 10-tree deodorized lotus seeds, a handful of wolfberries. Instructions: 1. Clean the black beans, red dates, and lotus seeds. 2. Pour ingredients into a small iron pot or health pot. 3. Add enough water, about 1,000 ml. 4. Cook until ready, then sprinkle with wolfberries before serving. 5. Drink once a day to nourish your liver and improve skin health. Benefits: this soup supports liver function, which can enhance skin appearance and overall well-being. Regular consumption can lead to healthier skin and vitality. Recipe 2. Coriander, ginger, and a handful of Sichuan pepper are placed in 800 ml of water and boiled for 20 minutes. This helps to lower high blood pressure and relieve symptoms of dizziness and numbness in the hands. Recipe 3's purple eggplant skin and dried red dates are boiled together in 800 ml of water for 20 minutes. Drinking this soup daily will significantly reduce your stomach pain by the 8th day. Recipe 4. Soak shredded winter melon and garlic in vinegar for 1 day. Eating this vinegar-soaked winter melon and garlic for 8 consecutive days helps to lower your high blood sugar. Recipe 5. Apples, red dates, and goji berries are boiled together in 800 ml of water for 20 minutes. Regularly drinking this soup helps turn gray hair back to black in young people. Recipe 6. Shredded onions and ginger are combined with peanuts, soaked in vinegar for 1 day. Eating a small amount after each meal helps to lower high blood sugar. Recipe 7. Tomatoes and green beans are boiled together with vinegar for 30 minutes. Regularly drinking this soup helps to lower high blood sugar. Recipe 8. Chinese broccoli and red dates are added with a spoonful of vinegar to 800 ml of water and boiled for 15 minutes. Regularly drinking this soup helps to reduce lung nodules. Recipe 9. Chive flowers and green beans are added with a spoonful of vinegar to 800 ml of water and boiled for 30 minutes. Regularly drinking this soup helps to reduce lung nodules. Recipe 10. Red grapes are steamed with a spoonful of vinegar over high heat for 20 minutes. Regular consumption helps to alleviate common leg pain in middle-aged and elderly individuals. The recipes above are traditional dietary remedies passed down from my grandmother, but they are not medical prescriptions. Please consult your doctors to determine the best dietary remedies for you. Happy cooking!